Hey guys, I'm at the Ford dealership. I'm having my car serviced, so I see those two SUVs, a Escalade and of course a Lincoln Navigator, and they're both 09, so I thought that's kind of cool. It's the two older vehicles. Which one do you like best? I'm not sure, you know. I normally would say the Lincoln, but to be honest, this one doesn't look the best. It's kind of run down. You can tell wiper's gone. There's some bad rust here, a couple dents, and then the interior. I don't know, do you like this generation of the Navigator? I mean, they're probably okay for someone who wants an SUV. I had an Expedition and I liked it, so probably not a bad vehicle. Now, as far as this particular here, something tells me it's not in the best shape, and it doesn't even say a price, so I don't know how much they want for it. Also, there's tape on the windshield there. Okay, then this one here, an Escalade, seems to be in a better shape. I can see the lights are a little bit faded, but all in one, it's the whole package looks a little bit better to me. Even I'm not a Chevy Cadillac fan, but look at the price. $14,965 US. So that's quite a bit of money for this vehicle here. I don't know how many miles it has. It didn't say it, but my guess is it has quite a bit of miles. So no, I think I will pass on this one too. The paint, I don't know, looks kind of dull to me. I'm not sure about it, guys. I don't know. Anyways, let's have a look inside. I mean, through the window. Probably couldn't see one thing, and I'll keep walking here because the store is open. I don't want the salesman to come bug me. Talk to you later.